Hey friends! Ever wished you could design a full-blown mobile app screen without spending hours on Figma or crying over color palettes and button placements? Well, what if I told you that today we're gonna design a gorgeous aesthetic wallpaper app home screen using AI in just 2 minutes? Yes, two, not 20, not 10, two, like your cooking noodles time. We're talking about an app that screams cool. Retro minimalism meets modern UI magic. Imagine pastel gradients, pixel art vibes, 90s tech nostalgia, all designed by an AI faster than you can say brutalist neomorphism, glassmorphism, micro-interaction magic. Yeah, try saying that 5 times. I dare you. So here's the top secret prompt I gave to my AI tool, and you can totally steal this. Design a high-end, futuristic wallpaper interface that blends retro minimalism with modern UI/UX trends. The app should feature smooth, clean layouts with pastel gradients, pixel art accents, and vintage tech vibes, like 90s UI elements. Use soft shadows, glassmorphism, micro-interactions, and neomorphism where needed. The app should feel like a mix between Apple's human interface guidelines and brutalist aesthetic, but with a retro-futuristic twist. Okay, even reading that made me feel like I just hacked into the Matrix. Now watch the magic. In just seconds, boom! Look at this beauty! We've got glassy cards, retro buttons that feel like Windows 95 but cooler, and colors that make you want to throw your phone on the wall just so you can admire the aesthetic. Don't actually throw your phone. This home screen has it all. A Today section, recents, bundles, even a pixel-perfect favorites tab. And it all looks like it was blessed by both Steve Jobs and the synthwave DJ. And the best part? I didn't lift a single vector. No pen tool, no frame dragging, just brains, a prompt, and an AI with way too much style. So if you're tired of boring designs or spending 6 hours aligning buttons that still look weird, let AI help you out. And if this blew your mind even a little, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more 2-minute tech sorcery from me. Catch you in the next one. Until then, keep designing smarter, not harder. Peace.